Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I started the vlog out last weekend and I wrapped it up this past weekend, so it's almost a full week's worth of vlogging, but my week was pretty busy with work. I worked from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. and then most nights from 4:30 until 8, so the footage is kind of chopped up. Fast forward to Thursday, I went to my mom's house after I had an appointment, and I also stopped at this health food store. I got so many goodies. I got these muffins that are all vegan and they were so delicious. I also got this superfood cookie. Fun fact, when me and Steven first started dating, we used to meet here all the time and get the blueberry lemon muffins to go. I ended up getting some vegan sushi, some vegan pakoras, and this kale salad, which honestly wasn't my most favorite kale salad, but it did the job. It made me feel healthy, and I of course had to get a Sweets from the Earth Nanaimo bar because they're the most delicious. Also, I can't believe it's snowing.
I think today's the 17th of March. I want to say it's 17th and it's snowing. Gross. This week I just finished teaching from 8 until 4 every day and then sometimes 4 until 9, so I didn't have time to vlog, so figured I would start vlogging again this weekend. This is the first Saturday I've had off in a long time, so it's nice to sleep in, but it's not very nice to wake up to the snow. So I guess today's gonna be a cleaning and relaxing day.
Face.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Stuff forgotten left behind. I'm honestly so done with winter. I haven't said it enough. I'm so done with the snow, so done with the cold, and I am so ready for the summer weather. Also, this was me trying to direct Steven to take a good video, but why did my arms look like that? Anyways, looking like an actual orangutan with my arms sagging so low like that. I do love a warm bowl of soup on a really cold and chilly winter day, so that's exactly what we had for lunch. And it was so weird that Saturday I had nothing to do. Usually I teach at the dance studio, or I at least have online and in-person classes, but this Saturday I had nothing because it was still the March break for the students. So it was the perfect opportunity for me to A, catch up on sleep, B, catch up on my chores, and C, catch up on the TV shows I've been watching.
So I just finished doing some chores. Off today, I don't teach, I don't have to do anything. I did a little bit of makeup and just slicked my hair back because it's pretty greasy, and I'm gonna do a ballet class, but I'm also going to be filming some content while I still have some daylight. I haven't really been in the kick of doing content lately just because I've been busy with work and I've been busy with life in general, so I really want to get back into things. I find springtime is when I get most inspired anyways because there's the change of seasons, there's new hope for summer. So comment down below if you guys also get more inspired during the spring. I even get more inspired to clean. I mean, I think that's why people call it spring cleaning, because it's just, you know, winter's done. Daylight is going to be longer throughout the actual day. You have a longer day in itself. So it's just nice to A, be tidy, stay inspired because your place is tidy, but also feel comfortable in your space and not feel everything is making you anxious, you know? I find when my space is dirty and even my bed isn't made, I just feel anxious because I'm like, oh my gosh, it's just not put together. I don't know where things are. So just cleaning that first this morning. It's almost 4 o'clock now, so it's definitely not the morning. Me and Steve went for a walk and that took a couple hours. But when we got back, I cleaned up a little bit after we had lunch, and I'm going to film some content because that'll make me feel a little bit less anxious and stressed as well. And then I'm going to do a full ballet class, and I think I'm just gonna put on my headphones and do whatever I want. Probably wear pointe shoes because I'm gonna be sewing a new pair sometime next week, just because the pair that I'm wearing right now are like so terrible. You guys know that. If you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you've seen me post about my super broken in shoes. So let's go film some content. We are going to go grocery shopping and come back and meal prep today since it's Sunday and the weekend's almost over. We're gonna go into the next city over and just kind of shop around a little bit. I think Steve needs to go to Staples for his work, and this is the outfit I'm wearing. These jeans from Old Navy, which are very uncomfortable. I don't know if I put them in the dryer too often, but the inside's like scratchy, you know what I mean? And then this top is actually something that my mom recently gave to me as an early birthday present, and I think I'm gonna put in some earrings. It snowed a lot last night, so I unfortunately probably have to wear winter boots, and I hate wearing winter boots and I hate wearing winter stuff because I'm so sick of winter. Comment down below if you like winter. I don't, quite clearly.
Life without a phone is challenging.
So Sunday morning, we ran a bunch of errands. Steve had to get some things for his job. And I am telling you right now, Home Depot to us girlfriends, is what Winners is to boyfriends. I usually sit at the front of Home Depot in the comfy chairs and read I was about to say a book, but I definitely don't bring a book to Home Depot, but that's usually where I scroll through my phone. I know most people love Home Depot, but for me, it is just not as fun as Winners is. But you know what? Steve had to get some things done. I had to get some things done, and it was an overall productive day. After we went to Home Depot, we actually went to lunch and we got some groceries, went back home, put the groceries away, started to meal prep while the laundry was going in its cycles. And it honestly felt so good to get these kinds of things done on Sunday, because usually my Sundays, I just kind of veg out because Saturdays I work, but having 2 days off, I really could relax one day and meal prep, do all the things on one day, so I was set up for the rest of the week. We made some pizzas and put them on naan, which was so delicious because we used garlic naan, and oh my gosh, that's the best hack in the world. Garlic naan for pizzas is so delicious. Then we had some ice cream, and I woke up the next morning pretty tired, and I did not wake up early like I intended to, but you know what? I'm listening to my body right now. I had a really hectic week last week with barely any sleep, so sleep is something I desperately need right now. I woke up with the stuffies on their bed, cleaned out the kitchen, and had kind of a slow Monday morning. My Monday mornings are usually busy with classes, but all of my Monday clients in the morning actually had to move to a different time, which was totally fine because it gave me some time in the morning to actually make a proper breakfast, make some emails, or send off some emails rather. And best of all, I could catch up on some Z's and some quality time with my family and pets.
I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk, don't wanna wake up.
So I am fully dressed and ready to do a ballet class. I also did a bun. Like, look at me go. I hardly ever do a bun. And I thought I would show you guys how I do it. Let's do it. So I know I just made one of the nicest buns I've done in a while. Watch. I'm gonna watch this footage again and I'm gonna be like, wow, the backside of the bun is, why did I say it like that? Backside of this bun is wow. You know what? It feels good right now, but I'm gonna take it out and show you guys how I do a bun because I love watching hair tutorials, and I think that's one of my most requested asks on my channel for a hair tutorial or technique tips. So first things first, because I naturally have a middle part, I just kind of leave it because my bangs aren't long enough to go to my ponytail anyways. And then I make my ponytail kind of in the same line as where my eyeliner would go, towards the crown of my head, and I make it pretty tight. Now this hair has not been washed in 2 days, and let me tell you, it is so much easier to work with hair that has not been freshly washed. So I will not be washing this hair until I'm done with today, because I also will be sweating a lot, because tonight is the first day of one of the intensives I'm teaching with Flex Space Studios. I'm teaching a ballet legs class, so that'll be really fun. I feel like I'm just showing you guys my armpit, by the way, so sorry. I'm gonna do this ponytail again because, as you can see, the underneath part is just like gonna bother me, you know? It's not quite brushed up. Usually I use a brush too, but it's okay. I'm at home. Nobody's really looking at this hair anyways, so let's twist that hair. I twist it counterclockwise. I'm right-handed and I find that's the easiest. I just keep twisting it, and you're gonna twist it the same way which you're twisting it in your hand. So if you're twisting it counterclockwise this way, you're gonna twist it counterclockwise in the bun. It should feel pretty natural, and I just kind of keep twisting it until I can form a nice bun shape. And I actually don't pin it by piece until the bun's fully formed. I know a lot of people like to pin each hair, but or each section of their hair when they put it down. But I have so much hair that I just have to kind of make a bun shape first. And then while I hold that with my left hand, I pin it with my right. And this is totally worse than what it was before, so I should have left it, but you know what? It's fine. So I'm gonna pin it top 2 corners, because those are the corners that get the messiest for me, and the bottom corners. Oh my goodness, this is actually way messier than before, but that's okay. And I'm gonna pin this bottom part because it's really chunky. It needs to be pinned down immediately. And I do have pointe shoes on because I did a get ready with me on my TikTok, which if you're not following me, JASSSOME. My Instagram's JASSOME. Yeah, people ask me, where'd you get the name Jasmine? So, where'd you get it? I don't know. I've had it since I was 12 and it's just stuck. And then people called me that in high school. So why would I change it? That is the bun we are working with today. And that's fine. I'm gonna wear these little booties to warm up in because I am wearing pointe shoes right now, but I just don't like wearing pointe shoes like cold. So I'm gonna put these booties on to warm up. These were actually given to me by my friend, my neighbor friend. So they're really warm and cozy and they make the perfect ballet slipper. Yes, they're full of dog hair, but it's better than my pointe shoes being full of dog hair on the bottom. So I'm gonna go do a ballet class. I'm probably gonna finish out the vlog here, by the way, because it's been an entire weekend. It's Monday morning right now at 11, I wanna say. It's probably close to 11. So I'm gonna go do a quick ballet bar and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Comment down below what you wanna see next. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.
I'm not the best at outros just because A, I never want to stop and I never want to say goodbye, and B, I just always either forget them or I film after them. Like this time, I actually filmed right after I did the outro, but you know what? It's fine. It is what it is. I did want to say thank you guys for sticking around, and thanks to all of you who've been here since the beginning, because I don't know what I would do without you. I genuinely love creating content for you guys because it makes my soul happy. It's that creative outlet that I've been missing since I quit the professional ballet world, or left it rather. I just love creating content for you guys. So comment down below what you want to see next. Genuinely, I would love to make whatever you want to see happen, whether that's ballet tutorials, even ballet classes. I'm still working on the music because that's the most frustrating part. I honestly just love making these vlogs as well. I know I don't live the most interesting life. I don't, travel a lot. I don't go out a lot, but I genuinely just share what I do every single day with you guys. Again, on that note, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.